Hello guys, welcome back to Creative Pujjal YouTube channel. Hope you guys are fine. Today I am going to review this DT830D multimeter, digital multimeter. This is the best budget multimeter you will find in market. Let's open it. I have already opened it to check in. You get one multimeter and two wire. Okay guys, let's insert the battery. Open it, check it. Negative, negative, positive. Same here. You guys can see negative and positive. Same positive. And this. Check one time. Okay, it's on. Okay guys, common wire, black wire, common red wire in B या A. Now I am going to show you how to check these things, like 1.2 volt battery, 4.2 volt battery or 3.7 volt battery, mobile battery, motor, switch, or any wire, long wire or short wire. First, to check a battery, you need to go in always a voltage mode with the sign DC. This one is DC and this one is AC. Go to DC. Like we want to go to check below 20. Okay, below 20. First, let's check this battery. No problem, positive or negative, no problem. Like you can say, it's giving 4.10 volt. If you do mismatch, wrong position, no problem, it will say only in minus. Now this one, no problem. 1.21 is 1.2 volt battery. Now more battery. Like 3.9. Sorry, it's not charging. Like 3.99. And to check the motor, to check the motor, you need to go in BIP section. Okay, first check it, it's working or not. It's working. Now go to the motor, put one side position and another. It's working. It's beeping, means this motor work. To check the switch, touch one side here and touch one other side there. It's beeping, not beeping. Then turn switch on. Then touch again. It's not beeping. It's beeping, it's not beeping. Then turn there. Check in the middle switch. Like here is 3 pin. Check in the middle. It's beeping. Check. It's beeping. Now turn off the switch. Look, it's not beeping. Turn on the switch. It's beeping. Then this is this switch work well, no problem. Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you get informative this video, then please like, share and subscribe, and please motivate me to next level. Thank you so much for your support guys. Please like, share and subscribe.